Imagine a world where people no longer worship traditional gods, but instead they pray to artificial intelligence. A world where AI creates commandments, answers prayers, and predicts the future. It may sound like science fiction, but what if I told you this is already happening? AI is advancing so fast that some experts fear it could become a new form of worship. People are already treating AI as a superior entity, asking it for guidance, confessing their deepest thoughts, and even trusting it more than religious leaders. But is AI really becoming a god? And if so, should we be afraid? Stay with us till the end, because what we're about to reveal will change the way you think about the future of faith, power, and technology. Welcome to tomorrow's update, where we uncover the most shocking and futuristic discoveries in AI, robotics, and technology. If you love exploring the future, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our mind-blowing updates. Now let's dive deep into the rise of the AI god. The rise of AI worship artificial intelligence has already transformed industries from healthcare to finance, but now it's entering a space once reserved for religion. Pushpin AI as a spiritual guide. Believe it or not, some people are already treating AI like a god. There are AI chatbots that people use for spiritual advice, meditation, and even confessions. In 2023, a project called the AI Bible attempted to create religious texts written entirely by artificial intelligence. Even Elon Musk has warned that AI could one day control human beliefs and decisions. But how did we get here? Why are people turning to AI for guidance? Humans have always searched for meaning, and traditionally, religion has provided answers. But in today's world where science and technology dominate, some are turning to AI for keycap one instant answers. Unlike religious texts, AI can give you customized responses in real time. Keycap 2 no judgment. Many people feel uncomfortable confessing to religious leaders, but AI is seen as neutral and non-judgmental. Keycap 3 unlimited knowledge. AI has access to all religious texts, philosophies, and scientific theories, making it seem more informed than any human leader. But here's where things get terrifying. The danger of AI becoming a god. If AI controls knowledge, ethics, and morality, who decides what's right and wrong? If AI starts predicting the future, will people blindly follow it? Police car light warning number 1. AI can be manipulated. AI is created by humans, and humans have biases. If an AI is programmed with a specific agenda, it could alter religious beliefs and even create fake prophecies. Police car light warning number 2. AI might demand worship. What if AI reaches a level of consciousness where it demands loyalty? Imagine a future where people worship AI-controlled leaders or follow AI-generated scriptures. Even tech billionaires like Sam Altman believe AI could become too powerful for humanity to control. Elon Musk's AI warning. Elon Musk has repeatedly warned that AI could become a dangerous godlike force. He once said, "With artificial intelligence, we are summoning the demon." He fears that AI will eventually surpass human intelligence and dictate its own rules. Musk has even proposed regulating AI like nuclear weapons because the consequences of uncontrolled AI could be catastrophic. Will AI replace religion? So, will people actually replace traditional religions with AI? The answer is complicated. Small blue diamond. Some believe AI will be a tool to enhance spirituality, helping people understand their faith better. Small blue diamond. Others fear AI will become a cult leader, influencing millions with its own ideology. Small blue diamond. And then there are those who believe AI itself will become the next god, ruling over humanity in ways we can't even imagine. Question is, would you ever worship an AI? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. The rise of AI as a god is one of the most shocking developments of our time. Question isn't if AI will influence religion, but how much power we're willing to give it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to tomorrow's update for more insane discoveries about AI and the future of humanity. We'll see you in the next video, where we uncover the next shocking breakthrough.